face. And I thought life was over. I feel just unstoppable when I've got my makeup on, you know? I'm just Tanya. Hello everyone, I am Burn Beauty 2018 and welcome. We're gonna do some hair. I normally just do makeup, but you guys know I love to wear wigs, and I've always enjoyed Outre wigs very, very much. This wig that I'm wearing is my first long wig that I ever bought after I was burned. She's called Amara, and I have 3 of her. The first wig I put on that made me not want to just blend into the background. I wanted to stand out. So I have a love for Outre, and they were so kind as to send me this beautiful, beautiful wig. All these beautiful colors. So I just want to get her on as quickly as possible. Again, her name is Mindy, and this is Golden Amber that I'm about to put on. So right out of the box, these melted hairline wigs are just wonderful. I mean, you don't have to do the melt. I sometimes will put on lace bond with my wigs. I never glue my wigs, but I do wear lace bond on occasion, maybe 1 coat of it right across the front of my head, because when I put more than that, something about if you're a burn survivor like me, it pulls on my skin grafts, gives me a terrible headache. I'm going to show it to you, and then I'm going to cut the lace off camera. This is how beautiful she is, right out of the box. You know that's going to be pretty, right? Diva. She comes with this wonderful lace that you don't have to do baby hairs. I don't do baby hairs normally. I like the full frontal effect that looks like it's growing right out of your head. So look at that lace. You see my hand. We've got baby hairs, and we've got a side part. Oh, it's got the strap in it, so that's really nice. It's got the back strap. It's got the adjustable straps in the back with the back comb. And then it's even got 2 more side combs. So this wig is not going anywhere after you put it on. The only thing I don't want you guys to do as survivors, really as anyone, is to do the thing that you see where we put the wig on our head and then we glue it and then we cut it with the razor. You can cut it with scissors. You can do it that way if you want to. But for us burn survivors, you're going to cut yourself, and you know it's going to be dangerous for you. So I'm going to take a pair of hair cutting shears. That's how I remove my lace, and I'll BRB. Okay, lace is gone. Been cut. Light warm brown. Works for me, and then you can always touch it up with some concealer and a brush. Let's get this one off. No glue, no glue. So what we've got here, right here, I need to work. I need to do a little bit of work. My knots, and I need to adjust my hairline. We don't need it all forward, too far forward. Lay this hair down. Lay it down. These wigs are so good. I feel so glamorous. Like right now I feel like a 50s pin-up in this color with this cut. It is so pretty, so pretty, so pretty. And then I love girls like this. Work. Show me the hair. I've got your hair. Look at the sides. That is so good. Now right here, I don't have any edges. So right here is where we can do a little lace bond if we want to, but I'm not sure I need to. Let me pull this down and get it in place. So pretty. It needs a little lace bond right here. So you guys know how you want to wear your wigs. I don't know how you guys love to wear them, but I love to wear them as they're meant to be. You know, like I don't. If the wig is curly, I wear it curly. If the wig is straight, I wear it straight. That's the beauty of these synthetic wigs. This is really pretty, and I didn't really lay it down. I feel like, so this issue that I'm having right here is sort of a burn survivor issue. Like, I didn't have anything to hook it into forward on my head. I don't have any edges from where my face was put back on. So on you, this bad boy would just lay down. If you have your natural edges and everything, it would just lay down and be beautiful because it would have hooked in to your hair and your everything so much further forward, if that makes sense to you. This is such a pretty wig. I do see some knots here. Mindy is giving every little thing that Mindy is supposed to give. I love her length. I love her curls. I love the way she feels. It feels really, really good. And I feel like it looks really, like she looks really just glamorous. What do y'all think of the color? Leather. I had not seen Mindy, and I don't have another wig like this, even though I have lots and lots of wigs. We can pin her back. Oh. right here. So she feels very soft. The lace looks really good. I didn't have to do really anything to it except cut it. I could, you know, you could do more if you want to, but you don't need to. That's why you're buying the Outre wig. That's why you're going for the quality and the melted hairline, because it really is truly, you know, a wonderful hairline. And your only problem might be, depending on the color of the wig, that you might have to get up here in your part. But I think that's super pretty. What do y'all think? Do you love Mindy by Outre? Let me know in the comments. I feel super honored today to review this wig. Until next time, whatever you're going through, remember that this too shall pass. Bye.